and welcome back to my channel. So happy to see you back again. So basically this video I'm gonna do a DIY acrylic nails at home. Super easy, super affordable, you know, no salon visit. My nails are very small and sensitive, and I feel like every time they do the file with the little rotary or whatever how you say it, like machine that files down your nails, it always hurt me or they burn me, and it just drives me crazy. I just couldn't. So these are what my nails look like on a regular basis, clean. Basically that's just how you want to start them off when you do DIY nail at home. Let's get on to the video. So this is what my nail kit look like. I keep it in a little caddy. I have my nail remover. I don't really use this one that much just because it's not as strong as this, which is the 100% acetone. And then I have my alcohol that I use, and you'll see why I use it. And then this baby right here, I actually stole from my dog. He didn't use it. He didn't like it, so I just changed the top of it, and yeah, it literally works wonders. I have my cuticle oil here, my glue, my clips, and my nail polish that I use mainly on my toes. So yes, so first to do this, you want to get like some press-on nails. And that's why it's super easy, because you're probably thinking like acrylic, like I'm doing a whole 9 yards. Heck to the no, I ain't doing that. These are the Kiss Salon Acrylic French Nude Tips. And usually I just stick to either medium or short. I think these are petite, so same as short, right? I usually just keep them in here. Like these, I had these on and they were cute, but they were just so long. It was hard to like maneuver and maintain. Those were like my, you know, going out and stuff like that. You want to be extra. Yeah, these are my extra nails right there. Make this super easy. You want to start by taking out the nails that fit your nails already. So you want to start by just trying them on and then putting them to the side in order of your fingers. So it's just an easy transition and you don't have to worry about keep stopping and going. So in these kits, they give you little sticks to push back your cuticles. I just wanted to be fancy and buy me a cuticle pusher, whatever it's called, I don't know. But I like to do my hands anyways and my toes, so I just invested in one. And you just want to push back the cuticles gently, and this is really soft, so it's not really hurting me. So to create a better surface for the nails to basically last longer, you want to buff out the shine on the top of your nails, which this is why I use this baby, and I promise it is so gentle, it do not hurt. Do not put it on the mode that is like super fast. Of course, who will want to do that, but just enough to where it's doing what it's doing, buffing off the shine of the surface. And I promise when you do this, you will never use a basic file again. I promise, because ever since I started using this, my nails last longer for like 2 weeks now. No lie. Once everything is buffed out to your liking, you can start prepping your nails by wiping off any excess dirt or dust on the nail plate using alcohol. So yes, this is not polish remover. I just added there just because my alcohol container is super big and I needed something to fit in my caddy. So yeah. So you just basically just wipe it off, like I said, dust it off, and just make sure it's nice and clean to get ready for your nails to be placed on. Now it's time to add on the nails. So I use this brush glue that I use, and here's a really cool tip. Like, honestly, it will keep your nails lasting longer. So you want to brush it on your nail, and then you want to brush it on the acrylic nail. Now, I learned this during quarantine because this is where, you know, the whole trend of doing your nails at home started. And honestly, this is where I believe it also creates longer lasting nails. Now that the nail is on, you want to press on the top and then make sure you press on the sides for like 10 seconds. So yeah, you want to make sure it's on there. So count to 10 each nail. Trust me, it's worth it. Nails are all pressed on. I want to add some of this cuticle oil that I got also in the Luxe bento box. You can honestly use any cuticle oil. It just adds a really professional look to the nail, like you went to a salon girl. And to be honest, cuticle oils really, you know, it takes care of your nails, and I feel like you should take care of your nails and your feet when you can, because it's self-care and it makes you feel good. And anything that makes you feel good, it's okay, because it makes you happy. There's nothing wrong with being happy. So you want to just apply it on to your nails and then just massage it. Okay, now that the oil is rubbed in, look how professional my nails look. And I'm going to work on my other hand, but I'm not going to show that on the screen, because I'm pretty sure you got it already. There's something about getting your nails done, you just want it like all in your face, like ugh. Alright, so I'm done. Thank you so much for staying with me while I did my nails and watching this video. I really enjoy doing my nails like this just because it's very convenient. Like I said before, I think I said it this whole video, like it's just so convenient. And also, I just love the fact that I can do it at the comfort of my home, and also don't have to worry about complaining or saying, ow, that hurts. I'm just one of those customers that just don't like saying things like that, which I feel like I shouldn't be like that. Just because I'm paying for the service, so I should be able to voice my opinion or how I feel. But I'm just that person that just don't really like to say much. So I just like to just do it on my own. And that's just how I am with my hair too. And if you see anything on this video that you like, I will put it in the description below. And also, if I miss out on something, please leave it in the comments below, because I would love to tell you where I got it from. I love to share where I get my things from. I'm not a hogger of ideas that would make things life-changing for you and make things easier. So I'm gonna just end off this video with thank you, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I'll see you next time.